An abandoned house lot has turned into a wild grassland. The grass is grown unchecked, thick, and even covers the entire area. But in this video, I'll show you the heartwarming actions of kind-hearted men who willingly clean up these neglected house lots completely for free. And if you enjoy their efforts, feel free to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this.
This video chronicles Al's return to a property that previously overwhelmed him, forcing him to retreat. Al had halted his previous attempt after being attacked by a swarm of wasps nesting in the yard. He returned with thorough preparation, bringing wasp spray to secure the area before starting work. The property features an exceptionally long fence overgrown with the worst weeds he's ever encountered. Grass there towers above adult head height in many spots. Midway through clearing, he discovered a giant tortoise shell and a starfruit tree laden with fruit in the backyard. Al tested the durability of his new John Deere mower on this extremely challenging terrain. He cleared the fence line, trimmed low-hanging branches, and created sharp edging along the driveway. The video closes with Al's reflection on how major transformations require time, patience, and the will to begin, just like facing life's challenges. In the first week, this yard defeated Al. He was swarmed by wasps and had to retreat. Later, he returned better prepared. He was determined to conquer the yard that had forced him back unfinished. No matter how tall the grass or how many wasps guarded the fence, he would finish what he started. This was the toughest fence he'd tackled in his life. The grass soared past adult head height, and every step felt like pushing through a jungle. He had to apply wasp spray at several points just to get close. The difference was striking. Little by little, the property's true face began to emerge. The process took time. He worked methodically, bit by bit, from detailed pruning to crafting razor-sharp edging lines. The final result was highly satisfying. No more stress, no more overwhelm. The property could finally breathe again, bringing comfort to its surroundings. Never judge yourself by your current position. Life can change if you don't give up. If a yard this dreadful can transform back to beauty, imagine what you can achieve in your own life.
This video highlights an incredibly unfair situation for the homeowner and how the garden workers from the Boring Channel shorts step in as environmental heroes. The homeowner was fined $16,000 by the city government for overgrown grass and a neglected yard. Tragically, despite the fine being imposed, the city never showed up to mow the lawn. The yard had completely disappeared under weeds as tall as an adult's waist. The public sidewalk in front was entirely buried under soil and vegetation, forcing pedestrians to walk on the roadway. The Boring Channel shorts performed an extreme makeover for free, helping the homeowner avoid additional fines and clear their name with city officials. The work began with slashing the giant grass, hauling away discarded items hidden behind the tall weeds, and a massive sidewalk excavation to make it safe for pedestrians again. This transformation turned a property that once seemed like an environmental burden into a clean, tidy one, saving the owner tens of thousands of dollars in future fines. Imagine being fined $16,000 just because your grass is too tall, yet the city never comes to help clean it up. That's the burden this homeowner carried. But the Boring Channel arrived to erase the fine with the power of their lawnmower. Watch how they rescue this home from stacks of bills and a wild jungle. The grass had grown taller than an adult's height. Who knows what was hiding in this area? Discarded items, trash, even potentially dangerous holes. This was one of the most extreme cleanups the Boring Channel has ever tackled. They had to free the sidewalk buried for years so people could walk safely again. Every shovelful of soil lifted from this sidewalk was a victory for the neighborhood. The city may only know how to issue fines, but they delivered real solutions. This transformation isn't just about beauty, it's about delivering justice for an overwhelmed homeowner. From a frustrating eyesore to a clean, professional space, no more excuses for the city to issue fines. This gardener just saved this family's financial future with one day of hard work. This transformation proves that neighborly care is far more effective than $1,000 fines.
This video documents a transformative 40-hour journey to clean and revive an abandoned house, focusing on restoring its overgrown garden and neglected exterior. At the beginning, the house looked completely unmaintained. Wild plants, tall grass, and overgrown branches covered almost all access paths and the entire facade. 4 workers labored intensely to clear the property, dealing with thick and towering vegetation that demanded extra effort and endurance. The yard was incredibly dense, with thick grass and surrounding trees engulfing nearly every part of the property. The team worked relentlessly to achieve a dramatic transformation from a wilderness into a clean, orderly yard that regained its aesthetic charm. Have you ever imagined a house lost to the forest? During those days, they weren't just cleaning, they were restoring it entirely. 40 hours of hard work, sweat, and dedication to bring a forgotten home back to life. The overgrowth was so severe that vines had begun damaging the building structure. Their first task was to reopen access routes. Without clear paths, bringing in equipment was impossible. With every sweep of their tools, the hidden beauty of this home slowly reappeared. This was more than mowing, it was the art of restoration. Sometimes they had to battle roots that had grown for years, but the satisfaction of seeing clean earth emerge was priceless. A house once choked by wild vegetation, its walls overtaken by creeping roots, and its yard lost under layers of foliage, gradually revealed its original form after hours of continuous cleaning. After 40 hours of effort, the house could finally breathe again. The once vanished walkway reappeared, trees were neatly shaped to offer beautiful shade, and the entire property regained new life. This transformation wasn't just about aesthetics, it was about giving a home a second chance. This restoration reminds us that with dedication and the right tools, nothing is ever too damaged to be repaired. If you found this video satisfying, don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below.
This video showcases the efforts of the Lawnmower Man team as they provide free yard cleanup assistance to a resident named Gary. The team learned about Gary's situation through a local Facebook group. Gary was distraught because his newly purchased lawnmower wasn't working properly, leaving him unable to maintain his yard on his own. Gary's yard was overgrown with thick, uneven, and wild grass. The team arrived to help without charging a single penny. They started by using a string trimmer to cut down the tall grass in the front area, then deployed a stand-on lawnmower to level the entire yard. Midway through the cleanup, the team discovered a hidden concrete pathway buried under soil and grass for years. They excavated the soil to uncover and restore the long-lost walkway. The team gathered all the grass clippings into a large pile for easy removal the next day, successfully transforming the yard into a neat, manageable space for the owner. Imagine saving up to buy a lawnmower to care for your home, only for it to malfunction. That's what happened to Gary. His yard turned into a grass jungle, leaving him feeling hopeless. But a lawn care professional spotted his complaint on Facebook and stepped in for a free transformation. The grass was thick and uneven, so the team first tackled it with a string trimmer before the larger mower could pass through. This wasn't just mowing, it was an effort to reclaim Gary's yard from months of wild overgrowth. Something unexpected happened while clearing the edges. They hit something hard beneath the soil. It turned out to be a concrete pathway buried for years. The difference is striking, from a yard choked with thick grass to a clean, spacious one. The team isn't saving the world, they're simply helping a neighbor lighten their load.